Good morning and welcome everyone. This report is part of the chapter 7, which is the steps in the social work helping process. So, what is social work helping process mean? The helping process, which is a fluid and a dynamic sequence of social worker client interactions directed towards problems, resolutions, and growth. So, these are the 5 steps in social work helping process. First is the assessment, planning, intervention or plan implementation, evaluation, and lastly, termination. So there are 3 phases. The beginning phase, which is the assessment planning, middle phase, which is the intervention or plan implementation, and lastly, the ending phase, which is the evaluation and termination. What is the meaning of 5 steps of social work helping process? First is the assessment. The assessment stage is when the social worker and the client review the information shared by the client to develop strategies for intervening. It is used to gather evidence to understand presenting problems, to evaluate progress and outcomes, and to assess the effectiveness of interventions and programs. The process involves collections of necessary information and its analysis and interpretation in order to reach an understanding of the client, the problem, and the social context in which it exists. So, this is the beginning of the social worker and client relationship. Dito, sinusuri ng social worker ang mga impormasyong ibinahagi ng kliyente upang makabuo ng mga diskarte para sa gagawing proyekto. It's important to first get ahead of the background information that will be needed in the helping process. In this way, mas magiging madali ang pagsisimula at pagpaplano. Second is the planning. In the planning stage, the social worker begins working with the client in order to accomplish goals that work to resolve the targeted issues. Scientific actions and objectives are created in order for the goals become more attainable. It is a process for planning social service programs, services, and policies. Government agencies engage in large-scale development, research, and planning to address social problems. So, after gathering the information needed, the social worker starts to make plans on how to be doing the project or the program. Third, the intervention or plan implementation. In social work, interventions are intentionally implemented change strategies which aim to impede or eradicate risk factors, activate and or mobilize protective factors, reduce or eradicate harm, or introduce betterment beyond harm eradication. Intervening in the clients involves both the planning and implementing stage of the generalist intervention mode. Fourth is the evaluation. The evaluation stage is executed throughout the intervention stage and is crucial in determining whether goals have been met. Evaluation can take the forms of a questionnaire, a one-on-one meeting where the social workers receive feedbacks from the client about the process, goal attainment skills, which the client fills out, and many other things. Evaluation provides a systematic methods to study a program, practice, intervention, or initiative to understand how well it achieves its goals. Also, the evaluation helps determine what works well and what could be improved in a program or initiative. And lastly is the termination. Termination is the process where the client and the social worker mutually determine when and how the helping relationship will end. It is whether the client will accept it or reject the social worker outcomes. So, the termination is the last stage of the social work helping process. And that's all. Thank you for listening.